On day 4 in Kuala Lumpur, we had lunch at Atmosphere 360 degrees. It is a revolving restaurant at the top area of KL Tower, 282 meters up. Whilst dining, the slow-moving platform gives a panoramic view of the city and its surrounding areas. Tables are arranged around the edge of the restaurant. There is the floor-to-ceiling window to enjoy the view. There are separate stations for the appetizers, salads, soups, and desserts. Our main course was set, but everything else was buffet style. The food was delicious and service was great. If you would like a different dining experience in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, this is the place to go.
Hi, welcome to Masjid Jamek Mosque. To enter the mosque, women must be covered from head to toe, and for men, they should be wearing long pants. So it's a hot day, and it even got hotter after I've been put on to wear this. Okay, I'll show you around.
Masjid Jamek Mosque is also known as Friday Mosque. It is one of the oldest mosques in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It was built in 1909 and has been described as a Moorish architecture, which is a variation of Islamic architecture. Bukit Bintaing District is a shopping and entertainment area. The district's after hours is colorful. There are cafes, restaurants, bars, night markets, buskers, as well as cheap eateries. It is a favorite area amongst locals and tourists. This is the Food Republic food court inside the Pavilion Shopping Center. There is a huge selection of local and international cuisine at affordable prices. We prefer to dine here than Jalan Alor's night market.
Morning from Malaysia. Today we are just walking around Masjid Jamek station, and this is around the streets, and we are going to look at different colonial and historical buildings here. So at the moment the sun is not very high yet, so it's really fun walking. See you later.
The countdown clock is a modern landmark. The clock counts down the time towards the year 2020. Surrounded by beautiful landscape, it is best viewed at night when the colorful lights are on. This is Merdeka Square. It was here that the Malaysian flag was raised for the first time on the 31st of August 1957. The Merdeka Square is also the venue of many Independence Day celebrations. The 95-meter flagpole at the end of the square is among the tallest in the world. At the corner of Merdeka Square stands a fountain built in 1897. In front of Merdeka Square is the Sultan Abdul Samad Building. This iconic building is named after the 4th Sultan of Selangor. The building's construction was completed in 1897. The building's design includes red bricks and white arches to help ventilate the building. The 41-meter high clock tower at the center has a bell replicating London's. Today, this building is one of Kuala Lumpur's most treasured heritage buildings. The Petronas Towers, or Petronas Twin Towers, was once the tallest buildings in the world from 1998 to 2004. It features a double-decker sky bridge connecting the two towers on the 41st and 42nd floor. It is the highest two-story bridge in the world. The sky bridge is not attached to the main structure, but is instead designed to slide in and out of the towers to prevent it from breaking due to strong winds. On a strong windy day, visitors can feel the bridge sway. Saloma Bridge is a pedestrian and cycling bridge that joins Kampung Baru and Kuala Lumpur City. The bridge is located just behind Public Bank and is illuminated with LED lights just after dark. This concludes our 5 days stay in Kuala Lumpur. If you find this video useful, give us a thumbs up or please comment below. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching. Salamat po!